Your breath was the last thing I heard, like a ghost in the wires, no need for words. I replay it like a song I can't forget. Even though you're gone, I'm not done yet. 3 seconds before goodbye, I swear I saw the stars cry. Your silence hit like thunder, but I still wonder if you felt it too. That love in the static breaking through. 3 seconds, and my heart won't let go of your voice on the phone.